I'm going to show you how to load the clay dough into the tube. Usually we make the clay dough into a long strip shape so that it can be put into the tube easily. And you can push the clay dough into the tube with your hands. Okay, it's done. Then put on the rubber ring and the piston. The rubber ring is used for sealing the gap between the tube wall and the piston. There's a small hole in the center of the piston. Please ensure the hole is open before you put it on. If so, the air can be eliminated when we throw the tube down on the table or on the floor. Again and again, like in the video. Until the air inside the clay is completely expelled.